In this video, I will guide you on how to set your own photo as wallpaper for your Redmi Watch 3 Active. And the process of doing this is quite simple. You want to first of all make sure that your Redmi Watch 3 Active is actually connected to your phone. So go ahead and get your phone and then just head over to the Mi Fitness app on your phone. Meanwhile, I have actually made a separate tutorial on how to set up and connect your Redmi Watch 3 Active to your phone using the Mi Fitness app, and I'm going to be dropping a link to that particular video in the description of this video. Just make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your phone, and then make sure you search for your Redmi Watch 3 Active and connect to it. Now, to set your custom wallpaper or set your own photo as wallpaper for your Redmi Watch 3 Active, what you want to do from the Manage Watch Faces option over here, click on All, and then from the top of all of these icons over here, you want to go ahead and click on All again. And then once it loads, you're actually going to see the custom option at the top over here. Go ahead and select that. And then from the list of albums over here, I'll go ahead and select one. Take for instance album 4 over here. Now keep in mind, I have actually noticed that for some persons, they are unable to find the custom wallpaper or watch face option in their own Mi Fitness app, and I actually can't say the reason for this, but I strongly believe that for some countries you might be able to get the custom feature, and for some you may not be able to get it. Just I have been able to get it over here. But once you get to the custom watch faces, select any of the custom watch faces from album 1 to 4, just as I have selected album 4 over here. Click on custom photo, and then from over here you want to select any of the folder where you have your pictures. I'll go ahead and select the pictures folder over here. You can select camera, whatever, and then just select any picture from over here. So I'll select this last one at the bottom. Now you can actually crop it whichever way you want, but once you're done, just click on the continue button at the bottom over here, click on apply, and then just make sure you turn on your internet connection and then click on download. And once the installation is completed, you can now see that it has now been applied to our Redmi Watch 3 Active, and it really looks pretty nice. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.